forget that. So I had an idea. I wanted to have a look at JASMY. I don't know which exchange to use. I see a lot of people talk about JASMY, and I wanted to chart it. But first I want to find the right exchange. Let me have a look at JASMY. So what I usually do with these, I'll add all of them. Let me just add these. Try and find them. Try and find JASMY. What I usually do is just add all of them and then try and find the one with the most data. And volume. Data and volume. So obviously these are rubbish. Don't know what that means. I have no idea when this token launched or anything. I've seen a lot of people like post this is gonna do 100x da 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 da, so I'm just very curious. Looks like it's just dropped, huh? Has it just dropped? Let me have a look. JASMY. CoinGecko. JASMY. $50 billion, almost all in circulation. Max. There you go. 6th of February, no, 4th of February 21. It launched at 61 cents. Oh my god, it's really under the price, huh? 61 cents. 4th of February 21. 4th of February, where is that? 20th November. Can we get one that goes all the way back? What's that one? That's better. It's October. There you go. No, that's rubbish. Crap. Probably Uniswap, huh? Is there a Uniswap? Uniswap. It's everywhere, but there's no. Let me try these ones. That's Uniswap. Let's try that. Whenever they launch. Usually Mex is a good one to launch. Let's try that again. Which one is that one? Mex. See that? January 21. There you go. It's January 21. That's probably the. Is that the best one so far? This is February 21. Let me try JASMY token. Let me see coin market cap. Same. It's even worse. I don't understand. I don't understand. 4th of February 21. And here, it's before it's in January. Well, this is the most data, isn't it? Next, see, there's a Uniswap one. Let me have a look. Where is that? No, that's rubbish. perpetual. No. Rubbish. Right, I think I'm just going to use the max one actually. Was it the lowest one? Oh, bless me. Back in 2 minutes. Sorry about that. Sometimes you just say nature just calls, you just have to do it. Okay, this looks like probably the best chart. I have no idea what JASMY is, to be honest with you. So I've seen a lot about it. Let me just do my quick 2-second analysis on JASMY. Market cap 315 million. It peaked at 1.25 billion. Look at that. And now it's at 300. It was at its lows in January, it's at 23 million. So it's already above there's a massive injection of volume there. Look, see that? Back in March, there's a massive injection of volume. All right, that's interesting. That's telling you something, actually. You see that? That's telling you something. Some lot of exchanges. Binance, that's good. It's already on Binance. Where's their website? Twitter. Internet of Things. It's category Internet of Things. Search on Twitter. Telegram. Twitter. Let's have a look at Twitter. The official account of JASMY. Japanese. It's Japanese. Well, they don't post much. Top rated crypto in USD. It's quite highly rated, huh? No idea what it is. Let's see that. Can't make anything out of that. We have signed an MOU, Neopin, global C DeFi protocol with a large community in Korea. JASMY campaign has started. We will launch a full-scale stablecoin business as a third-party prepaid payment method for utilizing the blockchain with Applix. By utilizing blockchain, it will be easy, reduce costs. JASMY. Carbon neutral. I really find it frustrating when I can't figure out what stuff is. Look, just clicked on their link and I don't know what this is. What, how, why? Okay, I want to know the why. Why is important? Yes, it is. An era when data becomes a personal asset. Currently, a lot of information about users is provided to each service providing company. Sorry, I've got a cold. Managed database such as touch data is analysed by various factors such as taste. JASMY's vision for a new era of consumer-oriented information is important because it is impossible to build an economic community where data can be treated as personal assets by returning the value of the data to individual. Yeah, that's true. With JASMY IoT platform, our client companies will play a part. JASMY initiative was established by companies who want to take the lead in utilizing the JASMY IoT platform. Thanks. I mean, there's a lot of value in this asset. I just, as an end user, I just don't know what I would do with it. You see, this is the thing. This is why everything brings me back to TRVL. Everything brings me back to TRVL. I know what to do with TRVL. All right. So basically, I still don't know why. It hasn't answered my question. Maybe I need to watch this video. No, I definitely don't need to watch this video. What? God, I have no idea. Something about data and ownership. It's worth a lot, huh? There's a lot of investment going into this technology. Crazy. All right, forget about that. Let's look at the token. So we launched on MEX at 5.7 cents. So that's quite important. When did we launch on MEX? On January 21. So basically, in the bull run, in the bull market. And it went up. God, it went up quite a lot. It went up 86x, 86x, 88x. So any of the investors in the last bull market, let me have a look at, let me put the volume on. No volume, huh? Any of the original investors in the bull market, if they even just invested $1,000 in a pre-launch, in a token launch, 1,000, just 1,000 on here. Launch this token, here's $1,000. They walked away potentially with $88,000 somewhere here. That's a good payday. That's a good payday. Yeah. And then it just dropped. Dropped. All right. The volume only started to increase here, you see? Here. See the volume's going up there. What I learned from this already is that first and foremost, the launch was a way to generate revenue for the initial investors. And they're using that capital that they've taken from the crypto liquid markets, and now they're putting it back in slowly to build this product. That's effectively what's happening. They haven't defended the lows. It's very clear they haven't defended the lows. Look, that's the low. It's not been defended. It got above it and then it just lost it, and then it almost back tested it, and then it went down. See that? That's what's happened. Look at the higher time frames and see what's going on. We have on the 6 month and 12 month. I like to look at the 12 month. So we have last year we have a real push down. This year we have a buy up. Price hasn't moved yet much. Is there a reversal in play? Could be. What we have is a very key level there that needs to be we need to close above it on a yearly time frame and back test. So this is a higher time frame. I don't have a color for a yearly level, so I think I'll just call it key. That's a key level. It's increasing volume. See that increasing volume? Volume down, volume up. The 6-month time frame. This is really a lot of volume has come in the last 3 months. So it's pushed the price has been pushed up in the last 3 months with increasing volume. Okay, so there is interest in this now at these levels. There's a lot of interest at these levels. This is the monthly time frame. Maybe that key as well. This is a monthly level. This is like a double bottom at the moment. Looks like a double bottom. Have made a higher low, increasing volume. Let's see where we are. Where can we go? 380. Oh God, 854x to the top there. It gets back up to $5. And it's on all the exchanges, huh? It's quite... Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Down there, not there. I like this volume increase here, like there's an increase in volume at the lows. And it's a high low. We haven't actually taken liquidity. We've come back to test this. September, October. If anyone placed orders on this monthly level here, they're up 122%. Increasing volume. It's already quite a high market cap though. Like, what was the market cap again? JASMY. $317 million, look. It's quite high, huh? If that's the current market cap, $317 million, wow. That's a current market 300. This is currently in the lows. It's at $317 million market cap. What's the volume like? Does it have volume? $31 million. Trading volume. Wow, it's being traded, huh? That's because of Binance. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. This is a really nice candle on the 3-month time frame. It's got high volume. It's bullish engulfing. It's engulfed the price from the previous candle on the 3-month time frame. It's the bullish engulfing. This is a full reversal pattern. These two candles here. See this 3-month candle, and then this push up. You know, you've made a higher low. You've taken liquidity from this level here. This is you've come way past this level here. That would be your back test if you wanted a back test. It's not much lower. This is a $300 million token right now. This is the thing, it's like I can't imagine how high this can go, because if it goes back up to there, that's 791x. Do you know what it was when it was 791x? 791 times 300 million. I can't imagine that. That's ridiculous. That doesn't make any sense. That's like 237 billion. Doesn't make any sense. How can that be? What does it say all-time high is on CoinGecko? Does it say? Is there a coin all-time high? Is there an all-time high on CoinGecko? $4.79, almost 3 years ago. $4.79, wow, almost 3 years ago. 4.79 on February the 16th. So let's try and find it. 4.79 on February the 16th. That's it. But that wasn't. For some reason, this is 4 point. Roughly. So this 4.79. Wow. Basically, this is the all-time high. 4.79. Basically, that all-time high is correct. Almost correct. 4.79. If we get to 4.79, you buy $1,000 of JASMY now. You buy $1,000 of JASMY now. I'll tell you exactly how much just to get to the all-time high. It's a 724x, and there's a high volume on this token. High volume. It's like 4 million a day. Dollars trading volume. Look at this, $31 million. What is that? Is that per day? I don't know. It's a lot. Huh? Oh God, it is per day. Look, $31 million a day. $31 million a day. Trading volume on this token. What the hell? That's crazy. That is really crazy. Wow. That's a lot of volume per day. Man. I can't. If we go from where we are now just back to the all-time high on JASMY, 30 million, 30, wow. Go back, just back to the all-time high. What did I do? I didn't do that right. $739x. So if you put $1,000 in right now, you could end up, if it gets back to the all-time high, you end up with $739,000. Just chucking $1,000. $700,000. You buy a house for $1,000 right now on JASMY. Basically, this is mind-boggling. I'm fascinated. There's a lot of volume coming in now. Let me see how much volume is coming in. 3 billion, 1.4 billion, 2. A lot of volume in this coin right now. These levels. Look at that. We do a volume profile. Doesn't really tell you anything. I do like this kind of behavior in terms of candles. You could scale into this, but ideally what you want to see, you're buying higher. But I mean, these two red lines that I've drawn are very important. So when it comes to the trade plan, this is the trade plan. I'm going to tell you the trade now. For sure, that's your big take profit right there. That you see that wick right in the midst of the golden pocket. You're definitely going to take profit there. That's your like target. The price could easily reverse there. That's a 400. That's a 48x from where we are now. Yeah, I know people are holding their breath and they want to go to the all-time high, but let's just be realistic. There was no volume there. So, could it get there? Yeah. Would it stay there? Who knows? Probably not. It's quite a large valuation, and if people try, with all of this volume coming in at the lows, with all of the people trying to extract the value out of the highs, you'll end up with like that. I think the safest play here is a reclaim of that key level for an entry. because as long as that key level is not, hasn't been flipped into support, it's still resistance. Yeah, and we're not too far away from it now. See, it's only 35% above us. So for 35%, you're buying into resistance, basically. That's the problem. You know, if it was down here and you're contemplating an SFP, a liquidity grab of that candle into the monthly level, then yeah, that would be a different kind of trade, a different trade. This one now, I think you wouldn't just buy because you're buying into resistance. You don't really have much room. What you want to see is this. You want to see a close above here, and then you don't want to see the close again underneath that level on the monthly time frame, and then you can break that down. You want to see this level, this key level, although it does kind of go through it a couple of times, but you really, what you want to see now is some kind of back test to confirm that this level is now support, that we've passed this low area. Yeah. And the way to trade it would be, you could scale in, and not have a hard stop. So like this is how I would play it. Potentially. Your target. You want to see the level taken, you want to see the level tested, yeah, so that it reacts as a reaction. You don't want to see the price come underneath that level again once you've claimed it, just like this. You want to see that, then you can start accumulating, and then I mean, ultimately that's your invalidation, but realistically, there's only two ways that this will play out once it gets past that level. Yeah, that's the key level. You either go up and you go up, or you go up and you go back down. You see? So what you really want to do is try and accumulate at that level, and if you end up going down like this, then you just exit, and the trade didn't work, but you're not taking much of a loss. You're not leveraging up, you're just accumulating, and that's how I would play it. I would think about taking one entry here on the back test, you take one entry, half your position here, and then half your position as you pass the high, then you'll have an average position. And then if you go down, if it goes up, you take in it. If it goes down, then if you're only in with half, you could add another half here, and then here you'll exit completely and you don't lose. So your half here, if it goes up, you add another half and you have a slightly higher position here. And then, or if it goes down, you've added half, you add another half, so that when it comes back up, you just exit because your trade wasn't correct. You know, because the trade here is a back test, it's a flip of this key level, which is there. It's not far above us right now. I think that's what you want to get into this, to get a position into this. You want to see a flip of this key level. So you could scale in, or what would be better is on the back test you take half a position, which is there. That's your half. If it continues going down, then you take another half down here, and as it comes up, you exit completely. So you walk away. So your trade didn't work because your thesis is up. And if you take half there and it does this, and then it goes up, then you add the half as it passes the high, the first high. And so your average position is slightly higher up, but at least now it's moving up. I think that's the safest way to play this trade, on spot, not leveraged. And then your key take profit, well look, I've already established the key level here, this key level here, so you could easily take some profit there, wherever your final position ends up being, whether it's here, probably there. It's like a 4x. You can 4x that. You can take some profit there. Half. You take half off there, 50% off at the key level, and or more. Take more. Take 75% off, and let the rest run. And if it goes up to the all-time high, you're a winner. But ultimately, your biggest level is going to be this liquidity here, because it's coming into the golden pocket of this extended range, and it's a key pivot where you'd expect some kind of liquidity take. And from where we are now, that would be a 29x. Okay. I mean, that's a trade on JASMY, and there's nothing, you can keep it really simple. I think wait until we get past this key level. When it comes into a back test, you can scale in half your position. If it goes down, then I'd be looking to add another half at this level here, so that when it comes up, I would exit, and then I'd wait again, and I'd reevaluate. That's how you play that. Or you enter here and the price continues to consolidate and it goes up again, and then you enter again as it goes up, and then you have the position is now halfway, but you know at least now it's going up. That's a safe play, very safe way to trade this. And then you take your profit at these key levels. You have a key level here, which is a 4x, and that's a 20x. And then who knows, you could, with your runner, you could get to the all-time high.